how to create Seek Job Search account. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to create your account. Now first things first, simply go to seek.com as you can see here. And over here, when you first open their website, you're able to see here sign in or register. Simply click on register over here and you will be able to enter some email for signing in and your password over here. Or you could continue with Google, with Facebook, or with Apple. After creating your account, after this part over here, there will be no verification on like your email. You will be able to go to this page as at once. But before you can apply to any job, you're going to have to verify your account. You're going to have to make sure that your account is filled with the details necessary such as valid ID, tax ID, all of those stuff before you could actually apply for a job over here. So that's how you will be able to create an account. And for the setup, feel free to look through our other videos for that part. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.